When the sun goes down, the sky becomes a sea of stars. Mixed among the stars are patches of soft light that are so faint they're nearly invisible to our unaided eyes. This light is the glow of gases that accumulate in great billowing clouds called nebulae. They are the nurseries of new stars and the remnants of stars that no longer shine. This faint light is ancient and tells the stories of our galaxy. To visualize this ancient light requires a special type of photography called astrophotography. I'm Gary Lopez, and this is my observatory in Monterey, California. Astrophotography takes specialized equipment, including a telescope, an electronically cooled camera that can take very long exposures, and a precision mount that tracks the stars as they move across the sky. With changing sky conditions, it can take days, weeks, sometimes years to gather the needed exposures to make an image. I take hundreds of faint, fuzzy single exposures and stack them, one over another, to build an image with detail and depth. I collect the light of each glowing gas individually. This is the light of glowing hydrogen gas. This is the light from oxygen. And this is the light from glowing sulfur. I assign each gas a color. Oxygen is blue, and sulfur is red, the basic colors at which they naturally glow. Hydrogen is assigned green, to create a palette that includes the full spectrum of colors. Bringing them all together, the nebula appears. My goal in making astrophotographs is to create images that are beautiful and dramatic. I spend a lot of time experimenting with printing techniques and materials, striving to find approaches that capture the emotional impact of my images. People viewing my images often tell me they are struck with a sense of familiarity, a connection they can feel but they can't explain. Since most of the atoms that make up our bodies were created in the fires of the stars, I've wondered if the feeling of connection is somehow an innate association with these places. Because like the planets and the stars, we are part of the universe. Perhaps my images are familiar because they are pictures of home.